We've all seen the chaos on the roads. Imagine this scenario. You're driving your car, minding your own business, when suddenly a random person jumps onto your car. Reckless bikers weaving in and out of the traffic, then blaming you for their mistakes. Picture yourself driving peacefully when out of nowhere a wild road rager appears, driving against traffic, yelling, and causing chaos. Do not worry. With Crossbeats RoadEye 2.0 dashcam, you can prove your innocence in seconds. Equipped with both front and rear view cameras, it captures every angle of your journey, ensuring you have the evidence you need to prove your innocence in seconds. You can secure your innocence today by ordering this essential dashcam for just rupees 6,999. Check the link in the description below. Indian roads are always unpredictable. Be it a bike riding on the wrong side of the road bumping into your car, or a reckless auto driver damaging your car bumper, or a traffic police penalizing you for traffic violation you did not commit, or showcasing the evidence of accident for claiming insurance. You've got all these covered by the Crossbeats RoadEye 2.0 dashcam.